Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G200 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code, which is actually very similar to the previous one because it is *#07#. And here we can check the regulatory information, so we've got the exact model, the FCC ID, and so on and so on. So let me show you another code which will open the engineering mode. It is *#2486 2486 ###. And here we've got the engineering mode, and it is quite a cool option because here you can check the full, your device, the components of your device, if they are working fine. So let's enter this menu mode, and as you can see, we've got some options. So for example, the touch panel, touch screen, the version, the display, camera, Bluetooth, battery, and so on and so on. So just tap on it, and here you will be able to receive some information, for example, just like the battery health, the technology, the level, voltage, and so on. What's more, you can pick the display and you will be able to check the patterns. So for example, let's pick the grayscale, and if you can see the grayscale all across the screen, it means that it works perfectly fine. So I highly recommend to stay here and have fun. And let me show you another code which is quite technical, I would say. It is the diagnostic mode and it is provided by Google. It's *#426 *##. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. I know nothing happened, but no worries, just tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got some further details, just like the network type, a heartbeat, or HB algorithm. Let's get back and let me show you another technical code which will open the testing menu. It is *#4636 ###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got some phone info, 5G or LTE, debugging information, usage statistics, NFC settings, and Wi-Fi info. So let's begin with phone information. After tapping on it, if you will of course have the SIM card inserted, you will be able to check the phone number, the car network, data service, or voice service. Once more, here we've got the ping test, just tap on it, and here we've got the results. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can also view SIM address book or enable data connection. Let's get back, let's tap on the 5G option while using this app, and as you can see, we've got the information that in our case the LTE option is in error state. Let's get back. Here we've got a usage statistics. So this is the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. They are sorted by usage time, and you can, for example, check that I've been using the settings for almost 35 minutes. So we can change the usage time to last time use or app name. So obviously after picking the app name, all the processes and apps will be listed alphabetically. So let's get back and let's enter NFC settings, and as you can see here, we've got some options connected to this mode, to this option. So here we've got the tag right, peer-to-peer, host card emulation, and they are turned on. You can turn them off just by tapping on those switchers if you need. Let's enter the Wi-Fi info. So here we've got the API configuration or the status. So let me pick, for example, the status. We can refresh the stats here, and we can check the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So let me get back, that's all for this code, and let me show you the last one, which will open the calendar info. It is *##, 225 ###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to choose the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.